Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the slideshow module, which is a core functionality of the system and typically deployed on the homepage. As you can see here, we've got a sample slide already in place. However, this is a single slide. There is no carousel motion in place yet. So what we'll do is we'll add a couple of more slides and we'll also edit this existing slide as well. When you go into the administrative panel, you'll see the slideshows options, and when you click on that, you'll see a listing of all your collections available. In this case, we have a homepage collection and we have a members collection. What we will do today is manipulate the homepage collection, and we can do that simply by clicking on slides here, which will bring us up a listing of the slides within that collection. In this case, we only have one. What we'll do now is simply click add slide. We will now choose an image that we wish to use for the background. In our case, we're going to pick this lighthouse. And now we have to give the slide a name. So in our case, we're going to give it slide. We can also optionally give it a link if we want that slide to bring the visitor to a certain destination. So in our case, we're going to use Google as that final destination. And whether the slide is visible or not. We can leave the slide as not visible, which will mean it is within the system, but it has not been activated as of yet. The details is also an item we can put in or not. It is an optional element. And in this case, this will be our summary of the slide. So in this case, I'm just going to put in a quick summary. And at this point, we are done with our slide. We can now save this slide. And we can see here that it has been saved within the system. It has been saved within our homepage collection. However, it is not active yet. So what we will do now is go ahead and activate it. And if we go back to the homepage, we can refresh and see that the homepage carousel has now been updated with the additional slide, and that there's now an automatic rotation which happens because the system does detect that there's more than one, and it will rotate them every couple of seconds. Or the user can use the navigation that comes with it, built in within the slideshow carousel, and they can sort of click on whichever slide they wish to see. The text, the heading of the slide and the summary appears as well. And again, if we would have left those elements blank, nothing would have shown other than the image of that slide. If we go back, we can add another slide. And one of the things I would like to mention is that the system will do its best at rescaling the image to the carousel size that you have within your template. There is no standard size, so we do not force a size of image to be uploaded. However, whenever the system does display your slides, it will try to place that image where it thinks is sort of the best visual representation of the image. So in this case, we're now going to upload our penguins, and you can see here it's a size. I don't really care what size it is. I just want to use this image. I'm going to this time leave the title, the link, and the details blank, and I'm going to go ahead and activate this image right away. And if we go back to the home page, we'll see now we have 3 carousel items, and here's our image. It has been placed. The template is displaying this image as it best thinks is possible. And that is that for our slides. As with all the other tables within the system, you can filter your slideshows, you can search, you can export, you can also get a summary of your data as well. And that is all we have in terms of our slideshow. Thank you.